Wonderful Therapeutics.
What's up, guys? My name's Matt. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on Adams Polishes mystery box. So this was on Instagram for $30. It said you get a $50 value or more, and after shipping it came to like 37 bucks. I've been running out of cleaning supplies, so I saw it's at the perfect time, and car season's coming, so I'm excited to see what I get, and let's get to it. This thing is brimmed. It's completely filled, so it's pretty awesome. I actually opened it upside down, but it's so good. So the first thing I pulled out is a borderless gray plush towel. Sweet. Came with 2 of these, so similar to the microfiber eggs. Came with carpet and upholstery cleaner. Nice. Came with some detail spray, kind of like a quick wax. So this one's H2O Guard and Gloss. Never actually really seen this, so it seems cool. I got some spray nozzles from them, so sweet. And they also sent a mint. Classic sticker. I'll definitely be throwing this on the car. Yeah, so I guess that's it for the mystery box. I was kind of expecting a little more, but it's all good. It was only 37 bucks, and I definitely like the detail spray, and honestly having bottles to spray with, which these are, is just really nice. It's convenient. Show you up close. For the money, this actually isn't that bad. I mean, I'm going to look up how much they're actually worth for all of it, and just price it out, see how much I spent versus how much they gave me. Not trying to sound cheap, just because why not. And some other good news for today is I actually picked up a new turbo. So the turbo I picked up was a VF43 turbo off a 2007 STI. I'm going to be putting this on my EJ205 to JDM motor. So I'm hoping to make anywhere from 280 to 300 plus wheel, which shouldn't be too hard to reach, especially with this. And besides this, I also picked up some new injectors, which are right here. They're 2016 STI ones. I know they're in this box, but that's what the person I bought them from gave me in. I'm gonna send these out, and I'm gonna get them flowed to probably 750 to 800 cc. And then I'm gonna end up buying a HKS blow-off valve, which dying for. They sound crazy. What else? I might get the Cobb V3. Not too sure about that. It's kind of expensive. Might just go open source tune. And yeah, so it's a quick video. I'll show you guys the turbo. It's nothing too crazy. I mean, it's just an STI turbo, so it's not like I'm going a full forged internal build. Not yet. But it's pretty clean. Has no shaft play whatsoever. And here's all the Adams polish. This is my ghetto little table for my videos because I don't have a garage or anything like that. So honestly, I guess that's it for today. Just a quick update and the unboxing on the Adams polishes. A little bummed about that, can't lie, but it's still not bad. These are pretty nice, so I really do like that these bottles, you throw these on and they're sprayable. So I have some other stuff I use too. But thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I appreciate all the recent support, guys. Peace.
Wonderful, wonderful therapy. therapeutic.